Afternoon guys, this is James, Advanced in Car. So today we've worked on the new Mark 7 Polo. It's, I think, known as the AW or the 18 chassis. It's the brand new model with the new tablet style touchscreen in here. We've been asked by the main dealer to do front and rear optical parking sensors as per factory spec in this sunburnt orange car. So usual situation, won't bore you to death. You've got the new parking button down by the gear stick, and you've got your tablet style display with your interactive settings when you want to go in and change stuff. So activate automatically when you pull up too close to the car in front and rear volume, and also your tone settings to change the pitch. So going out of there, we can then pop it into reverse. With the handbrake off, you're going to get your moving guidelines like so. As soon as you move the steering wheel, we are quite close to something behind, so if I put it into drive, your moving trajectory moves like so. I'm just going to pull forward, you can see the rear sensor just pulling away, and then pop it back into reverse. So just going to reverse up to the main door here. Okay, you might be able to hear the sensors in the background. A little bit of a wider distance on the rear central ones, and then ever so shorter ones on the side profile. So once you've gone out there, you can turn the sound off, and you can also turn the automatic feature off. But as you would expect, beautiful crystal clear picture on these new models with the tablet style. And this is front and rear optical parking sensors in a brand new 2018 Polo. If you want this feature installed by us, give us a ring or get on the website. It's www.advanced-incar.co.uk. Thanks for watching.